Well, hi there viewers, Princess Starbird here. So today we're on a nature video type of thing. So I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but there's a woodpecker. It's the first time I've ever seen one, to be honest. I don't even know if you can really see him. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. At least I think that's a woodpecker. He's pecking on the wood anyway. So I thought I'd try to do a video today of me catching him on video. I don't know if I can zoom in anymore. Nope. I'm sorry, I would have to get closer without scaring the bird. Let's see. Can I scooch my bum forward without scaring that bird? There we go. At least I think that's a woodpecker. I could be wrong. Okay. This is as close as I can get. Oh, it's so pretty. Hi, little wood. I think it's a woodpecker anyway, but hello, little woodpecker. Digging for some lunch. Where'd he go? Oh, he's up there. Oh, it's a chipmunk. See him? He's right there on the branch. Kind of right where my top of my finger is. Oh, there he goes. He's running up on that tree. So now this is kind of like a nature video today. Where'd that bird go? I hear him. Is this a crabapple tree? Because I'm seeing red apples. Like right there, there's a red apple. You can eat crab apples, just don't eat too many of them, because I've always been told if you eat too many of them, then you get an upset stomach and you can make you sick. Where'd the bird go? I hear him. You better not drop any apples on my head. Oh, I think he's gone. But anyways, so this was a little bit of a nature video. He's somewhere in the tree. Somewhere anyway. So, oh, there he goes. He flew all the way over there. I was going to say he's somewhere in this tree. There's this bush. I don't know if you can see it very well. And then this tree that I just did a video on. And then there was a chipmunk. It was cute. I really wanted to pet the chipmunk, but I know he wouldn't let me. So, anyways, I still hear him, but I don't see him. Where'd he go? Okay, he's somewhere on this tree. I can hear him pecking, but anyways, thanks for watching my little nature video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not very often you get to do a video about birds. Those are some really pretty flowers. I'm so random. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.